Good day. I was doing chain maintenance the other day on my 2004 Hayabusa, applying lube to the chain, and noticed the hub has a bit of play in it. So let's have a look here. Let's see. It's probably a bit excessive. I couldn't find a spec on what the amount of play should be. I think 3 to 5 millimeters is what I saw, is sometimes used as rule of thumb. But I'm going to replace the dampeners because of that excessive play. So that's them there, shown in a service manual. There's 6 of them, and they call these the wheel dampers. I've had experience with this once before on my Honda VTR 1000. I recall replacing those some years ago because of excessive play. So this bike has developed that too. I suppose over time the rubber hardens or gets compressed. Then you have this play happening between the sprocket and the hub, like that. Let's check Busa 2. There's my Gen 2. I don't see that on my Gen 2. It doesn't have quite the mileage my Gen 1 Busa has, but I don't see very little play there, so should be basically no play, but of course there's going to be a bit. So be an opportunity to use my ABBA stand. It supports it on the swing arm pivot assembly. There's maybe a pin that goes there, and this side over here, another pin that goes here. So I like the ABBA stand. It's quite a stable setup. I never like using my swing arm stand for this bike. So I get those dampers ordered in. They weren't expensive. I think they're like, it's probably $100 in parts. Get those changed out. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.